In Uganda, there was a 2-month nationwide COVID lockdown again in the spring of 2021. The women governors and sidhas who work full-time with African Women and Girls Organization Uganda, or AWAGO for short, spent these months in their homes gaining new knowledge and skills by taking online courses. Not surprisingly, they came out of the lockdown to achieve more than ever before in implementing Maharshi's programs to help women and girls in Uganda. They focused primarily on 3 charitable programs: Transforming Lives for vulnerable women and their children, the Heal the Healers program for healthcare workers who have had enormous extra burdens placed on them in these years when they've been faced with COVID, and the first phase of a TM program in schools. In total, the AWAGO governors taught Transcendental Meditation to 2,200 people in 2021, 805 of those in the last 6 months. AWAGO reaches vulnerable women by partnering with various women's empowerment and skills training groups around Kampala, the capital city of Uganda. Often hundreds of women, mainly single mothers, and their children learn through a single partner organization. Several such new partnerships were added in the second half of 2021, and 2 large research studies were begun. One, a randomized controlled trial with 256 women, and the other a longitudinal study with 153 young women. These studies will quantify the impact that TM is having on these women's stress management, resilience, and quality of life. At the end of the year, it was a great joy to see these large groups of meditating women and children gathered together for a series of Christmas parties. And to hear their experiences of TM. 338 nurses, doctors, and healthcare staff have learned TM in the last 6 months through AWAGO's Heal the Healers partnerships with hospitals and clinics. 191 principals and teachers have also learned TM since July 1st in preparation for introducing TM to the students. In conclusion, AWAGO is now positioned for even greater achievements in 2022.